This is Twitch. It is a live streaming platform for watching and broadcasting live content. This guide demonstrates how to install Twitch as a desktop app. Follow the steps. Open your web browser. Go to the official Twitch website. Click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Cast, Save and Share. Click Install Pages app. Twitch provides access to live streams, follow channels, live chat, and a wide range of content directly from the desktop app.